Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Concat in Excel with space. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data, so first name, middle name and last name. So here I'm going to join this three name with space by using the Concat function. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and Concat. After that, select the first text, use the comma. Select the second text, use the comma. Select the third text and bracket closed and enter. The second way you can use the is equal to and concat. Simply drag with the mouse and select the all three cell A3 to C3 and bracket closed and enter. Okay. So this is a two way you can use the concat to join the all three name. But here I want the space between the every name. So for that, simply edit it formula, remove the both text, and after the first text, use the comma, use the double quote, space, double quote, comma. Then select the second text, use the comma, double quote, space, double quote, comma, and select the third text and bracket closed and just enter. And here you see the space between the all three name. Okay. So just simply drag with the formula below the cell and see here the all three name join here with space. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.